We're going to talk about SmartPM and really us delivering the next generation of project controls. And we'll talk about, again, the current situation, which we discussed quite a bit the other day. And despite the best laid plans, the best intentions on both parties from the construction side, all the subs, all the contractors, and the owners, to build a great building or execute on a certain project, we consistently see that there are inevitable delays in budgets that are initial plan, disagreements on why those delays happen, who's responsible, owners lack real-time visibility to issues and challenges, and it results in stressful discussions. Relationships tend to suffer, and people get over it. But at the end of the day, the best solution to these problems today is a manual data analysis. It's really time-intensive and extremely costly to resolve. That's the situation and the problem that Mike and the team saw when they looked at creating this technology. So let's get into the opportunity a little bit. And we see the technology fitting under the umbrella of a project control technology. And there's three pillars, right? Quality, cost, and schedule. And we're highlighting schedule as really the key opportunity for this platform and for the process in general. We see that's the biggest opportunity that we have, because today that schedule is reams and reams and stacks of papers with a bunch of Gantt charts and activities and all these things on it. Very difficult to manage. But that same difficult to manage piece of paper or electronic file is used today for planning and budgeting, progress and performance, forecasting completion of the project, and understanding critical impacts or changes to that schedule as it's happened across the length of the project. So for us, we're saying, scheduling analytics, when done right, is the best project control that you can have. So to continue on and talk about the product a little bit and the platform itself, we want to talk about the simplicity of it too. We're not trying to revamp and redo the existing processes that exist. We want to make it extremely non-invasive and have it fit into the current process while still delivering a lot of the scheduling analytics that we know deliver a lot of value for our customers. So you take the standard Microsoft Project or Primavera, even Excel schedules that exist today. You manually upload them with a login and password into your account onto a specific project. There's a proprietary algorithm that Mike's designed with the team, helps to analyze all that project data. At the end of the day, it gives an instant report, set of progress and performance reports and quality indexes around the schedule, the project itself, and all the things that have happened from the start of the project all the way through. So identifying, real risks and saving a lot of time and money. So the process, really quickly, as we talked about, it's looking at checking schedule quality, not only the baseline starting schedule, but as that schedule continues to move along the process, we want to continue to check the quality of the schedule as things are happening to change. Dates are sliding in or out, compression's happening, risks to the critical path, all those kinds of things need to be looked at. And so we look at delays, schedule feasibility and risks, and the completion date, is it realistic, forecasting that based on all the different activities that are happening and the changes to the schedule as it happens across the duration of the project. Then just last thing I want to do before we jump into the product is just highlight again, what our customers are using this platform for today. And today it's for baseline schedule and all the update approvals that happen for that schedule, requesting time extensions or change requests, earned value analysis, identifying risk, forecasting the project, and then another big one, again, the relationships we talked about, is really avoiding disputes, because as you go along the process, if everyone's on the same page, a lot of the disputes go away in terms of who's responsible, why did this happen, et cetera, et cetera. So that can help, again, from a relationship standpoint, but also just continuing to have a smooth project being run as you continue to move forward. Okay?